What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing some vocal resynthesis. Right now just now I recorded this vocal that I'm going to be kind of resynthesizing and changing. Oh, let me make sure it's on a track that's not muted. La 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 la. So I just recorded that really quick just to see what I can kind of turn that into. And I'm going to drag it into Harmor, and I'm going to make sure the precision is perfect, and then the resynthesis is high precision as well. Take off the ramping as well. Okay. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La la la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
La 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 la
La la la la. La 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 la. La 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 la
la la la la.
Kind of sounds like robotic. Let's do a quicker speed. And I'm actually going to make it just a one-shot sound, so it just plays one. Speeding it up quite a bit here, but let's see. Oh, I guess I'll keep that. There's a lot of fun stuff you can do with this. Definitely recommend trying this out. Okay. Let's change. Yeah, actually, let's mess with the pitch first. Let's make an envelope here. All right, so that's some unison. Okay. I'm gonna make a bandpass filter and take that filter frequency and move it around. Let's distort this. Okay. Kind of. Oops, I was playing the song. Eh, I'll just kind of leave it. Let's add a little bit of reverb. All right, I'm going to leave it just like this for now. That was just kind of fun to mess around with. I haven't done a lot of vocal resynthesis. Figured I'd make a video. Let me know if you enjoyed. If you have any suggestions for future videos you'd want to see, any ideas like that, just leave them down in the comments. And looking forward to seeing you in the next video.